Hey guys, so I'm gonna make a quick video about filling in holes in your floor with plywood, but not a whole sheet. So if you have a small hole, you just need a small piece of plywood. So here, this is where the old toilet was. So it left a hole. So I just cut it into the size of a square, or something was here, maybe a sink or something. But and then I went underneath. I placed a board underneath the house on the bottom and screwed it up. Just make sure it covers the entire hole. Now I took my old piece of plywood and I measured the size of my square, and then I just cut out a piece. But as you can see, it doesn't quite fit because it's uneven right here. So this is the tool I use for stuff like that, when it's just a small little piece that you want to trim down. Try not to have anything in your floors that can cause variations and like up and downs. So scoot that. It's a little tiny hole right here. So let's see if that fits yet. Not quite. Okay, hopefully it'll fit. And so, over this house. What in the world? It's like right there. You want a tight fit though, so I don't know. Oy. You get the idea, you see. This is the tool I used. I don't know if you can see that very clear. It's a Dremel. I don't even know. It has, you can switch the blade out to like a saw, or this one cuts obviously. But yeah, like my videos.